Hello, and we are back in Shape and Space 4. In this tutorial, we will continue on with discussing other theories other than the theories that we have discussed in previous tutorials. The fourth theorem says the opposite angles in the cyclic quadrilateral is add up to 180 degrees. So, this figure inside the circle is called a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a quadratic shape but is not a perfect square or rectangle. It is called a cyclic quadrilateral. One of the properties of this shape is that the opposite angles inside this shape have a total of 180. So these two blue angles add up to 180 degrees and these pink angles also add up. So let's use this theory to solve this example. Find the size for each lettered angles. So basically, we have x found inside a cyclic quadrilateral, and it is facing a 100 degrees angle. And we know that the total of x plus 100 is equal to 180. So basically, using this rule, I'm going to find the measurement of x, which is 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80 degrees. So we have found the measurement of angle x, and what is left is finding the angle y. To find angle y, we're going to use another theory that we have learned previously, is that y is equal to 2x since they have faced the same segment at the circle. So it is 2 times 80, which is equal to 160 degrees. That will be the end of this exercise.